Today's topic cell. Cell are the structure and functional unit of living being. Cell can replicate itself independently. They are also known as building block of life. Each cell contains a fluid called the cytoplasm, which enclosed by the membrane. Also present in the cytoplasm are several biomolecules like protein, nucleic acid, lipids. Cellular structure called cell organelles are substrated in the cytoplasm. What is cell? A cell is a structure and fundamental unit of life. The study of cell from its basic structure to the function of every cell organelle is called cell biology. Robert Hooke was the first biologist who discovered cell. All organisms are made of cells. They may be made of single cell, unicellular, many cells, multicellular. Mycoplasm are the smallest known as cell. Cell are building block of living organism. They provide structure to the body and convert to the nutrient take from the food into energy. Cell are complex and their component perform various functions in an organism. They are different shapes and sizes, much like brick of the building. Our body made of a cell different shapes and sizes. Cell are lowest level of organization is a very life form from organism to organism. The count of cell may vary. Human have more number of cell compo- compared to the bacteria. Characteristic of cell. Cell provide structure and support to the body on an organism. The cell interior in a organized into the different individual organelles surrounded by a separated membrane. The nucleus major major organelles hold genetic information necessary for reproduction and cell growth. Every cell has one nucleus and membrane bound organelles. In cytoplasm, mitochondria, double membrane bound organelles is mainly responsible for the energy transcription vital for the survival of the cell. Lysosome digests unwanted material in a cell. Endoplasmic reticulum play a significant role in the internal organization of the cell by synthesis, selective molecules and processing, directing and sorting them their appropriate locations. Types of cell: prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Prokaryotic cell main prokaryotic cell have nucleus, no nucleus. Some prokaryote such as bacteria have a region within the cell where the genetic material is freely suspended. This region is called the nucleoids. They are single called microorganism. Example include bacteria, cyanobacteria. The cell size range 0.1 to 0.5 nanometer. The material can be DNA or RNA. Prokaryotic generally reproduce by the binary fission from a sexual reproduction. They are also known as the conjugation, which often seen a prokaryotic equivalent to the sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. Second is eukaryotic. Eukaryotic cells are the characteristic by the true nucleus. The size of the cell range between 10 to 100 nanometer in diameter. This broad category involves plants, fungi, protozoa, and animals. The plasma membrane is responsible for the monitoring the transport of nutrient and electrolyte out the cell. It is also responsible for the cell to cell communication. They reproductive sexuation as a Uh, for example, the plant cell contain chloroplast central, other plastids, animal cells do not.